Hello preschool friends. Today we're going to continue learning about the 3 sounds of Y. The first sound of letter Y is Y, Y. Now there's going to be a few words that we say that begin with the Y sound. Your, your. We say this when we say your pencil or your paper. Y. You, you. You can write on your with your pencil on your paper. Yippee, yippee. When something is really awesome and makes you so excited, you say yippee. The Y sound of Y. Now we're going to talk about the E sound of Y. E, E. This is for just a little bit tricky. Ready? Miss Amy. Miss Amy. I have a Y at the end of my name, but it says the E sound. Amy. Amy. Now, sometimes when we play in the dirt and the dirt gets stuck to our shoes, it's kind of mucky. Mucky. Can you hear the E sound? Mucky. And this one is tricky. It has 2 sounds of Y. The first one is Y, and the last one is E. So say it with me. Yuck, E. Yuck, E. Yucky. Good job. Slide this one over just a bit. And now the sounds of I. When Y makes the sound of I, you hear it in words like why? Why? Why is it raining? Or in the word cry. Do you hear the sound of I when it's the letter Y at the end of this word? Cry. Cry. I hear the I sound, even though it's a Y. Dry, dry. Did you hear the I sound? Good for you. The 3 sounds of Y are Y, E, and I.